Hello everyone, this is a beautiful evening and you can see the wonderful moon is almost fully bloom, and the flower you can see is called drumstick flower from our garden, and kids are enjoying the fantastic view. And it's a branches of flower you can see here and there, so they are enjoying, and the moon is absolutely mesmerizing, and the garden, everything looks amazing, flowers and all. And if you can see some of the fruits we have in our garden, and of course I don't want to miss this part, the Shandha Maluti, which generally bloom during evening. So fantastic view. Take care everybody, keep learning English and keep speaking in English. Happy time. Good night.